And now, your first alert weather.
All right, so taking a live look right now at West Yellowstone, Montana. Ooh, yeah, it still looks pretty snowy up there. It got the wet roads, but it got snow on the sides of the roadway here, and you got dusting of snow in the trees. This is something we'd see, of course, more akin in winter, but we are expecting to see here more of this stuff working through the region tonight through tomorrow, so don't be surprised if we get some snow sticking even to the pavement as we work into your early Friday, as we are still going to be in this unsettled weather pattern through tonight into tomorrow, and then another storm system rolls in by Sunday through Monday as we get started for next week. Right now in Viper, we have a smattering of storms working through the region with a few hits of thunderstorms right now in Lemhi County, plus also some spotty snow and rain working into areas of the national parks. We've had some light showers in Jackson the last little bit. You notice, though, in the last few radar scans, we've dried things up for the moment, but you look to the southwest coming out of the Magic Valley, northern Nevada. This is what's going to be roaming into eastern Idaho and western Wyoming for tonight, and we could again see things get a little sketchy with a thunderstorm threat, but we're also working in some gusty winds, especially for the lower Snake River Plain and the Magic Valley. Currently in Idaho Falls, 51 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, winds at 13. Pocatello at the Farm Bureau Sky Cam, you look to the south, you can see some of those darker rain clouds on the south end of the valley. 54 degrees at the airport with rain and winds out of the west at 8 miles an hour. We go into Jackson, 41 degrees with rain, winds out of the northwest at 6 miles an hour. We got a little sunshine peeking through here around the curve there with 89. And then 46 right now in Salmon with the rain coming down. We got winds out of the southeast at 5 miles an hour as we take a live look at the airport there. Now here's what's happening here for tonight. We have one system exiting, another one that's getting in here for Saturday night and Sunday. For tomorrow, we're still going to be in the wake, in the shadow of that area of low pressure that's been sweeping through today. Now that low is going to be centering most of its energy tomorrow towards the Dakotas and the North Plains. Further out in the Pacific Ocean here, we got another system building some strength, and that's going to get us here for Sunday and Monday. As we lose one system and work in the other system, we're going to get some tight pressure gradients out there, and we're also working in a wind advisory. We're going to get some wind from Bonneville County south into the Magic Valley. This is going to be the worst of it. Everybody's going to see some wind here for tonight through tomorrow, but the worst of it being around Pocatello and along I-86 and I-15 through Fort Hall. So watch out for high-profile vehicles, and it's going to be very tough to be a truck driver on those roads tomorrow. Late tonight through tomorrow, that wind advisory expires at 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, because by 3 p.m. we start to transition to some drier weather, and you can see this here on the Vipercast. We got the rain, we got the snow passing through the region, and yeah, there's a possibility of getting some snow back into the lower elevations of the Snake River Plain. Mixed in with some rain, mind you, and then we'll have a few rumbles of thunder. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll see most of the showers lift to the mountains, and then almost exclusively just seeing mountain snow and rain showers by Friday around dinner time. High pressure is going to work in from the west. It's a little surface high. This is going to give us a break for Saturday. Saturday morning and midday, expect rainy conditions for Boise and parts of central Idaho, and then by Saturday evening, the showers get on our side of the state, heading into western Wyoming with some snowfall, and that's going to kick off some spotty showers and some stormy conditions for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Temperatures tomorrow, 53 in McCammon and Preston. We'll also see a 53 in Malad with the upper 40s towards Soda and Montpelier with the upper 40s in play for Jackson, lower 50s for the high in Rexburg. Lows tonight into the lower 30s. That could lead to some snow. We got numbers tomorrow in Challis and Salmon in the mid-50s with lows tonight into the mid-30s. We got upper 40s for Mackey, lower 50s for the high in Arco, and a high of 54 tomorrow for Rigby and Idaho Falls. 55 for Pocatello, 55 also out towards Burley and Twin, again with those gusty winds. Temperatures are actually going to warm a little bit on Saturday with that brief break in the weather pattern. But again, Saturday night through Sunday, watch out for the wet weather. That's going to get us in there for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And along with the wet conditions coming in for the early part of next week, we're going to pick up on those winds once again. Rexburg, a high of 58 for Saturday, mid-50s for Sunday with the scattered showers in play. And temperatures will be in the 50s and 60s next week as we get into May with some rainy weather. Salmon, a high of 56 for Saturday, and the same for Sunday. We're looking at highs in Salmon around 61 for Monday with a chance of some wet weather early next week. Jackson, you're going to have highs here hanging out in the mid-50s for Saturday. Not a bad weekend. I mean, it's still cloudy, kind of dreary, but at least it's not going to be all that wet on Saturday. Showers get back in there for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with highs falling into the upper 40s by Tuesday. Pocatello will hit a high of 63 for Saturday, upper 50s on Sunday, and the upper 60s for Monday. With Idaho Falls aiming for a high of 60 degrees on Saturday, 56 on Sunday, and the mid 60s as we get to Monday, with more scattered showers, I should say, and also those gusty winds returning for early next week. Todd.
Thanks, Michael. When we come back, did you miss out on getting tickets for the Garth Brooks concert this summer in Salt Lake City? Well, you have another chance.